In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Doc on Google Sites fast and easy. We'll go through a simple and straightforward process that will help you share your Google Doc with your website visitors in no time. Let's get started. First, if you're not already on Google Sites, you'll want to head there. Open your preferred web browser and enter Google Sites into the search bar. From the results, click on the first link that takes you to the Google Sites homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard displaying the sites you've already created, if any. Go ahead and select the site where you'd like to add your Google Doc. Simply click on it and it will open, allowing you to edit and update as needed. Now, with the site open and ready to be edited, direct your attention to the right-hand panel. This is where you'll find various options to enhance your site experience. To proceed, look for the insert icon. This is typically represented by a plus sign or a similar symbol. Clicking on this icon gives you several embedding options, and you'll want to choose Drive. This selection will open your Google Drive, where all your Google Docs and other files are stored. Once your Google Drive is open, identify the Google Doc that you want to add to your site. If you have many files, using the search bar can save time by facilitating quick retrieval. After locating your document, select it. Simply highlight your Google Doc, and this action will make it available for insertion into your Google site. After choosing the document, it's time to insert it into your site. Find and click the Insert button, which will place the document onto your site page. Now, depending on the layout of your site, some adjustments might be necessary. You can resize the document or reposition it to fit the desired area within your site layout. Play around with the placement to achieve a look that is visually appealing and effective for your viewers. Now, an essential step to ensure that your audience can actually view the document is to adjust the document's sharing settings. Go back to your Google Doc and click on the Share button in the upper right corner. A menu will open. Here, you need to adjust the permissions so that anyone who visits your site can view the document. Set the sharing option to Anyone with the link can view. Confirm this change, and your document is now publicly accessible for anyone who visits your Google site. And there you have it. A Google Doc seamlessly integrated into your Google site, ready for your audience to access effortlessly. This quick process ensures that your site remains dynamic and interactive, keeping your visitors engaged with the valuable content you wish to share. Thanks for joining me today, and happy site creating!